What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be opening Top Kick packs. I have 29,782 coins, and yeah, it's open. Let's see my cards, and 1,000. I think that's 10,000. Yeah, whatever. I'm sorry. Okay, let's. These are all the cards I have got. Pretty good. Yeah, so let's do this. First, let's open our free pack, BPL free. I have 39,000 coins. That's pretty good. And we get Kante, Distin, Elliott. That's a really bad pack. Next pack, Bundesliga free 7. Let's do this. Okay, come on. Kim, Harrig, whatever. Okay, that was another bad pack. Let's go on UEFA Champions League. Let's go BPL. Let's do it. Let's open this pack. BPL. Come on. Okay, no. Coutinho, that's pretty good player. Pedro, also really good player. Flamini, he's good. So far, this has been like kind of a good pack opening. So let's open. Oh my god. Okay, let's open this one. I don't want to waste all my money or like spend all my money. Okay, check. Pretty good. Lovren, Mahrez. Yeah, they're all pretty good. So yeah, I continue this pack opening later because I don't want to like waste my money right now. And yeah, guys, please subscribe and see you later.